welcome to my kitchen. I have a helper. Her name is
Layla.
Hi Layla. So today we're going to do a quick dessert with some summer fruits. We have blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, and what is this one?
Strawberry.
Awesome. And we have a dessert shell. So I'm going to show you how we can whip up a really healthy dessert that everybody can enjoy. So if you're not into dairy, you can use a non-dairy, which we have here, which is yogurt made with coconut milk. And then we have the dairy one, which is over here. Layla likes dairy, which we have here. And what we're gonna do, the first thing we're gonna do,
I like the non-dairy and the dairy.
You like both? Okay. All right, so what we're gonna do to make this dessert is we're gonna chop up strawberries in the yogurt.
Ooh, I know how to do that.
Yep, what are we gonna use?
We're gonna use these.
What are these called?
I don't know.
She doesn't. Okay, so this is called an egg slicer. So we're gonna use our egg slicer to slice up and then chop. Yeah, those are the colors because I cut it. The color came out from the strawberry, which is red. So we're gonna use this to slice our strawberry.
And make sure you have a grown-up.
Yes, make sure you have a grown-up for this. Okay, we're gonna open this back up. We're gonna put the strawberry back in.
My mom showed me how to do this.
Okay, and we're gonna press down again. I'm gonna try to get all the strawberries in. Okay, keep it closed. No, don't open it up. So once you have it down, we're gonna scoop. Here, you're gonna take it and you scoop it into your bowl.
This yogurt?
Just take the strawberry and put them into the bowl. Yes. Okay, and we're gonna do a couple of them. So part of cooking, you wanna make sure before you always start cooking, what do you have to do? What do we do before we start cooking with our hands?
Wash our hands!
For how long?
For 20 minutes.
Not minutes, like 25 seconds. So you can do what? Sing the ABC song?
Or sing happy birthday to yourself.
There you go. And then you have nice clean hands. And you want to keep your hands clean and not put it in your mouth, especially if you have to share your food with somebody else, right? So you always want to make sure you have clean hands when you are cooking. So we chop, we scoop out, right? We put back in, make sure we get them all in, and we slice again so we get tiny little pieces instead of big slices. All right, so my favorite, if you're doing like a plain Greek yogurt, that's great. The strawberries are gonna give it some flavor and it's gonna add some sugar to it because our strawberry is full of natural sugar. So that's a great yogurt to use. You can also use like a vanilla flavored yogurt. That's my second one that I like to use. And like I said, if you do non-dairy, any of your favorite non-dairy yogurt is fine. All right, stick with a plain flavor or vanilla flavor. All right, so we're good. So the next step we do with this is we're gonna take our bowl and we're gonna mix. Okay, so mixing, you're gonna go into like a circular, yes, around and around, scoop the sides, and mix it really good. And of course we go from it being white to kind of pink, right? This gets all the yogurt and the juice from the strawberry all mixed together. Beautiful, let's see.
Beautiful bright pink.
Beautiful bright pink. So once that's done, right? So this is what we do. And of course she's licking her fingers. I know. Yeah, so I would put her back over to the sink and go wash your hands. But she's making her own, so we're good with this. All right, so here we go, look at me. So I'm gonna take one big scoop and put it on my shell, right? So my plate has more because I'm making for other people. And you wanna do one big one, so add some more.
I'm putting a little bit to the sides.
Okay, so you want to get, like I said, one big giant scoop. And I'm gonna borrow Layla's spoon first. You got it? Good job. I'm gonna borrow Layla's spoon just to do at least another non-dairy over here.
Mine's a bright pink, so someone will like the bright pink.
Okay.
The second my color.
All right, so here we go. Now we're not done. All right, so we have, like I said, we have blueberries, we have raspberries. Now come the fun part. Let's move this out of your way. And I'll put this over here so you can see.
Ooh, blackberries. I like
all right, so we can decorate. All right.
Yay. But my favorite fruits are these two.
All right.
Dark raspberries and bright raspberries. And
I'm using blueberries.
And I like strawberries, but
And I'm doing a raspberry, and you know what? I'll do. Look at that.
Mine's not done. I think I have some creativity.
Creativity, yes. You are very creative.
Yeah, I have some creative things I do at home.
Okay, so let's finish decorating this.
Mine's not done. I'm gonna do a lot more on mine.
You're gonna do a lot more? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so again, Layla and I are getting creative. Okay. And of course she's eating as she is decorating.
Eating, decorating. Do not do this before
oh, well, that's a fun part of cooking, is being a taster. When I was a kid, helping my mom or my dad in the kitchen, I used to love being their taster because I got to taste everything as we're making it, which was awesome. All right, so I'm
almost done.
Are you almost done? Okay. All right, I think I'm almost done too. So we're going around. So what did you like about this, doing this recipe with me?
I think it's gonna be good for dessert.
You think it's gonna be a good dessert? Okay.
So you should try this.
All right.
And then you wanna know what it tastes like? Come back later.
All right, so simple, easy, fun summer recipe to do.
You see mine?
Yeah, let me see what yours look like.
And then underneath, boom!
All right, so let's show it to them.
It's a castle.
This is Layla.
And then they have a fruit underneath the red stuff.
And under the red, she said she put a fruit under there.
Yeah.
Awesome. So
I put a blackberry underneath it.
So she did an awesome job. Great job, Layla. Hey, wait, she can't eat all the fruits. I still need them. I gotta watch her. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Super quick, super simple. Have fun with it. All right. See you later. Bye.